How to enable dark mode on Facebook account in 2023. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of enabling dark mode on Facebook easily on your mobile devices. Let's get started. So for enabling dark mode on your official Facebook account, you will need to go to App Store or Play Store. And then just search Facebook app and you will need to update your Facebook application first. After updating, you can see in here Open option. So let me click on the Open option and it will redirect you to the Facebook account, and make sure you log in your Facebook account. Then, what you need to do is to tap on the three horizontal lines represent menu in the bottom right corner on your mobile to open the navigation menu. From there, scroll down a little bit and select the drop-down menu Settings and Privacy. So, from here you can see Dark Mode option. Just tap dark mode in the settings and privacy section. To enable dark mode, just select or tap on option. Dark mode is now enabled on Facebook. You also can choose to enable system mode, which adjusts dark mode based on your device's settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.